Hey guys, this is a short video to show you the ramp that I made to load my Lectric XP into the back of my SUV. I made the ramp using a 6-foot long 1x8 with two 6-foot long 1x2s, attaching the 1x2s each side of the 1x8. I then covered the surface of the ramp with indoor-outdoor carpet glued to the wood 2x. I use a Velcro strap to anchor the ramp in place. I built this ramp because I have a weak back and loading and unloading my XPs have irritated my back condition. After folding up my XP, I use the rear wheel to roll it up the ramp and into the SUV. Unload my XP, I do the opposite by using the rear wheel to roll the bike down the ramp. Easy peasy and no back strain.